Well, there's plenty of fun to be had in this sort of caper. You know, great big fingers. How on earth do you get a little thread like that through through the eye of a needle? Well, I'm going to have a go. I've already done it once. Look, the ugliest bit of blanket stitch you'll ever see, but it sort of worked. Yeah, it's progress. If I'm not saying much, it's because I'm concentrating. It's been a lot of years since I've done this sort of thing.
Give my love to Rose, please won't you, mister? Oh, take her all my money. Tell her buy some fancy clothes. Tell my mother daddy's so proud of him. Oh, but don't forget to give my love to Rose. Tell my Rose, thanks for waiting for me. Tell her not to keep herself alone. Tell my Rose to try and find another, for it ain't right that she should live alone. Mister, he's the bag with all my money. It won't last long the way it goes. Oh, and God bless you for finding me this morning. Oh, but don't forget, give my love.
Well, this is the progress so far. Some of the ugliest needlework, but this is a case of beauty is in the form and function, not the aesthetic qualities, but you know, the ends are blanket stitched up. Now, it's all about sewing in the pockets.